Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 BMW F800GT. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 16,898 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we only point out large areas of damage. We highly recommend looking closely at all the pictures in the listing or seeing the bike in person. There's a scratch on the front fender, a crack on the right front turn signal mount, the finish is fading on the switches, finish fading on the side covers, scratches on the mirror housing, pieces of the seat are missing, and there's a crack in the lid of the top case. This bike has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS, heated grips, and TPMS. It's been upgraded with a 2 Brothers slip-on muffler, a Puge windscreen, and aftermarket levers. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. Additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.